It's some kind of love, it's some kind of fire. I'm already up, but you lift me higher. You know I'm not wrong, you know I'm not lying. We do it better, yeah, we do it better, yeah. I don't mind if the world spins faster, the music's louder, the waves get stronger. I don't mind if the world spins faster, faster, faster. Just let me take you to a better place. I'm gonna make you kiss the sky tonight. Yeah, if you let me show the way. Hey, I'm so excited to see you excited. I'll take you to a better place. Yoo-hoo. And baby, you can love me on the way. We're flying up to outer space. Hey, I'm so excited to see you excited.
So this week in hardware we practice making poly belts. We're going to use the poly belts for our ground intake, and we're trying to finalize a design or like perfect it. That way the poly belts won't fall off of the crown rollers and it'll be a good intake, like kind of a conveyor belt.
Know that we do it better. I don't mind if the world spins faster, the music's louder, the waves are getting stronger. I don't mind if the world spins faster, 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 faster. Just let me take you to a better place. I'm gonna make you kiss the sky tonight. Yeah, if you let me show the way.
Hello. So this week in the software team, we were divided into 5 different departments, with one team currently working on 9.9 with the realignment to the A4 tag, and that should be done by the end of this week. In another team, we're currently working on field-oriented control, and furthermore designing the pseudo-code for the ARM. Furthermore, in our auto, we are right now working on the auto climb, and in the drive code, we're currently still working, and it's a bit iffy, but it should be finished next week. Lastly, we have a team that's currently working on LED to communicate with other teams during competition, and that's currently going fine.